Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn how you can check the gondola. First, I will explain the main structural parts of the gondola. The temporary gondola mainly used in a construction site consists of the control panel, hoist, work platform, support, weight, and wire rope. Here, we will learn the 12 checkpoints required for the safe operation of the gondola. Let me go through each of the 12 checkpoints in the safety checklist. 1. Use the safety facilities to establish the work area and control access except for work personnel. 2. Ensure that no other work is performed simultaneously above or below the gondola work. 3. Check that the details of the safety instructions and the loading capacity are attached, and check that there is no crack, corrosion, or deformation on the main structure and rails. 4. Check that the lifeline for fall prevention is in good condition, and check that tow board and safety net for fall prevention are in good condition. 5. Check that the overload limiter is installed on both sides, and the adjustment unit is sealed. 6. Check that a rubber plate is installed on the upper part, and ascending is stopped normally. 7. Check that the power is cut off when the emergency stop device is pressed. 8. Check that when the main wire rope is broken, sub-wire rope will be fixed and it works properly. 9. Check that the motor and brake operate properly, and ensure that the lever, which can be operated manually, is provided. 10. Check that the leveling device, which adjusts the level of the relay of the control panel and the platform, is working properly. 11. Check that the wire rope strands are not damaged, and there is no concern of separation. Ensure that the terminal processing is properly done. 12. Check that the length and specifications of the upper support correspond to the structural calculations, and ensure that there is no deformation. Up to now, we looked into the 12 checkpoints required to be checked before working with the gondola. On site, ensure that you check the safety checklist before performing work. Lastly, I will go through the 4 absolute obligations that must be checked. First, ensure that the safety belt is connected to the lifeline. Second, check that the safety handrails are installed properly. Check for compliance with occupancy and overloading. Fourth, check the wire rope before work for abnormalities. These 4 checks are important to keep in mind before work. So far, you have learned how to check a gondola. Please keep in mind that there is a high possibility of severe accidents such as falls, etc. when working with a gondola. Before work, you must conduct a thorough safety check to conduct your work safely.